Good morning, dear students. From today, you have to start your written work in fair copy. I'll give you 10 minutes to do it in your notebook. Clear? After doing it, show me your copy. First, I am going to explain you about the first chapter, that was sentence, which I have explained you earlier. In your copy, first you write the date, then lesson 1, then the topic name, the sentence. After that, you will write the definition of the sentence. A sentence is a group of words which expresses a complete thought and makes complete sentence. It contains a verb and a subject. Clear? After that, you will write these 3 examples. The sun rises in the east. I love to read these books. My aunt lives in Chennai. Clear? As I have explained you that every sentence has 2 main parts, subject and predicate. After writing the definition of sentence and its examples, you have to write the definition of subject and the predicate. Come to the subject. The subject of a sentence is simply who or what the sentence is about. It is usually a noun or a pronoun and comes before the predicate. Come to the predicate. The predicate is the part of the sentence that states something about the subject of the sentence. A verb is an essential part of a predicate. The predicate usually comes after the subject. Come to the example. First example is Sunita is dancing. In this sentence, Sunita is the subject, is dancing is the predicate. Clear? After doing this, you have to do exercise A of your chapter 1. Develop the following subjects into sentences by adding suitable predicates. Ajay is going to read a book. From Ajay, I have developed these sentence. Clear? Then it become suitable sentence. Here, your is given. Your mother is a teacher. Where Poonam was going? ? My cousin lives in Bengaluru. Full stop. Honest people were awarded from the chief minister. Full stop. Sincere students do their homework in time. Clear? Now we have completed exercise A. Now come to the exercise B. Point out the subjects and objects in the following sentences. Here, Prisha delivered her speech very well. In this sentence, Prisha is subject and speech is object. In each sentence, you have to write subject and object differently in your copy. Clear? Second sentence, the farmer killed a snake in his field. Here, farmer is the subject and snake is the object. So, first you write the subject and write here the farmer. Then write object, write snake. Clear? In this way, you complete this exercises. Now in third sentence, Papa advised me to be honest and sincere in work. Papa is subject and me is object. In fourth sentence, does God help a sincere and truthful person? God is subject and person is object. In fifth sentence, when do you do your home assignment? You is the subject and assignments is the predicate. Object. Clear? You have to do this exercise. You should write the answer like this. Clear? Thank you. We will do next exercise tomorrow.